Good day, everyone. Today, I want to talk about something we all care about, but often postpone our future. Most of us are very good at planning for today. We plan our work schedules, our bills, our vacations, and our goals. But when it comes to planning for tomorrow, especially the unexpected, we hesitate. And yet, tomorrow is shaped by the decisions we make today. The title of this message is Protecting Tomorrow, Starting Today. Because protection doesn't begin in the future. It begins right now with awareness, responsibility, and action. Life is unpredictable. We all know this, but many of us live as if life always go according to plan. We assume we'll have more time, more opportunities, and more chances to prepare. But the truth is, none of us are promised tomorrow. That's not meant to create fear. It's meant to create wisdom. Protection is not about being negative. Protection is about being realistic. When you protect tomorrow, you're not saying something bad will happen. You're saying, if life changes, my family won't suffer because I failed to prepare. That mindset alone changes everything. Think about the people who depend on you, your children, your spouse, your parents, even your future self. If something were to happen today, would they be protected or would they be left to struggle? This is not an easy question, but it is an important one. Because love is not only about what we provide today, it's about what we prepare for tomorrow. Many people believe protection can wait. They say, I'm still young. Others say, I'm healthy. Some say, I'll think about it later. But the reality is this: youth is not guarantee, health is not permanent, and later is not promise. Starting today doesn't mean you have to do everything at once. It simply means you choose not to ignore the future anymore. Protection begins with a decision to stop avoiding hard conversations, a decision to take responsibility for your role in your family, a decision to act while you still have options. And one of the most powerful tools to protecting tomorrow is life insurance. Life insurance is often misunderstood. Many people think it's about death, but life insurance is actually about life, the lives that continue after us. It's about making sure your children can continue their education. It's about ensuring your family can stay in their home. It's about replacing income, paying debts, and maintaining dignity during difficult times. Without protections, loss becomes heavier. With protection, grief is still painful, but it's not overwhelming. That's the difference preparation makes. Protecting tomorrow also means protecting peace of mind today. When you know you have a plan, you sleep better, you worry less, you live more confidently. Protection removes fear from the unknown and replaces it with assurance. And let me say this clearly. Planning does not mean you lack faith. Planning means you honor the responsibility that has been entrusted to you. Faith and preparation go together. You pray for your family, but you also protect them. You work hard, but you also plan wisely. Protection is not about control, it's about stewardship. Another important truth is this: protection is personal. There is no one perfect plan for everyone. What works for one family may not work for another. That's why education is so important. Understanding your options allows you to make decisions that align with your values, goals, and responsibilities. Protecting for tomorrow is not about buying most expensive plan. It's about having the right plan. And starting today means asking the right questions. Who depends on me? What kind of future do I want for them? If life changes suddenly, will they be okay? If someone's life would be affected by your absence, then protection is not optional, it's essential. One day, we will all leave something behind. The question is, what will that be? Will it be confusion or clarity? Stress or stability? Burden or blessing? Protection allows you to leave a legacy of responsibility and love, because legacy is not just what you leave, it's how will you prepared. And here's the good news. It's never too early to start protecting tomorrow, but it can be too late to wait. Starting today is a choice, a powerful choice, a loving choice. It says, I may not control the future, but I can prepare for it. So as you reflect on this message, I encourage you not to walk away unchanged. Take a step, no matter how small. Learn, ask questions, have the conversation, make a plan. Because protecting tomorrow doesn't start someday, it starts today. And when you protect tomorrow, you give your family something priceless, not just financial security, but peace, dignity, and confidence in the face of uncertainty. That is the power of preparation. That is the strength of responsibility. That is the heart of true love. Before we end, I want you to know this. Being a life insurance agent is not just my profession, it's my purpose. My rule is not to sell, but to bring clarity. Not to pressure, but to educate. Not to promise perfection, but to help you prepare. Every family is different. Every story is unique. And that's why there is no one-size-fits-all solution. My commitment is to listen, to understand your goal, and to help you build a plan that truly protects the people you love. If you have questions, need guidance, or simply want to understand your options, I'm here to help without pressure and with your best interests at heart. Because at the end of the day, this is more than insurance. It's about responsibility, it's about legacy, and it's about love that lasts behind a lifetime. Thank you for trusting me, and thank you for taking times to learn today. And remember, the best time to protect tomorrow is today. If this message spoke to your heart, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content that inspires and empowers.